بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. My dear student, greeting to you all. Today, inshallah, we will carry on with our English language lessons for the third year. My name is teacher Inas Al-Hadiyati. So as you can see, today, inshallah, we will be concluding our unit number 4. The name of the unit is called Shops and Malls. This will be lesson number 4, the last lesson. And since we decided this is a very important lesson, we decided to have it into 2 parts. This will be the second and the last part of our unit. Okay, so in case you missed the first one, unit or part number 1, that's fine, because we will be revising the most important information that were important in the previous lesson. So this is the last unit in your book number 4. Make sure you have your books. Let's start by revising what we have learned in the previous lesson. In the previous lesson, we practiced using the opposite of some adjectives and some nouns. For example, leave, arrive, slow, fast, tall, short. Okay? We were also able to describe some nouns by using adjectives like comfortable, uncomfortable, cheap, expensive, big, small. Very good. This is the cover of your unit. Remember, this is the last unit of your book. This is 4th unit, Shops and Malls. You can find our lesson at page 52 and 53. By the end of the lesson, inshallah, you are expected again to use adjectives to describe some nouns correctly. Also, we will be giving the opposite. In addition, we'll be able to use the preposition of place. We were able to use the preposition of time before at unit time. And most importantly, we will help people get to their destination by giving them the correct direction. Okay, so let's start. Let's start by revising opposites. For example, here are some examples of the opposite nouns: left, right, boy, girl, on, off, open, closed. Very good. So these are some opposite nouns. Now here are the ones that we have in our unit: arrive, leave. I have comfortable, uncomfortable. So we will describe the bed by saying it's a comfortable bed, while the chair looks so uncomfortable. Okay? Now I have 2 buildings or 2 houses. I will describe them by saying it's a small house. It is a small house, while the other one is a big house. Very good. So here I have 2 contrasted or 2 opposite adjectives: small and big. Now here I have near and far away. Very good. Near, far away. Excellent. Now, here I have 2 rings. The cost of the 2 rings are different. That will make the first one expensive. It is an expensive ring. Second ring is cheap. It is a cheap ring. Very good. So expensive and cheap. Now here I have 2 species, animals, but different species. I will describe the first one to your left. It's a big elephant. Very good. Big. While the mouse is small. Very good. So I have a big elephant. I have a small mouse. Here I have 2 sofas or 2 couches. Same size, completely different shape. The one on the top is old. It looks old. Okay. While the second one, or the one below, the red one, is brand new. Okay, so I have an old sofa, I have a new sofa. Very good. Old and new. Excellent. Now, I need you to take a look at this picture and tell me, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? Here I can see a man standing in the middle. He looks what? He looks, I don't know, confused. He doesn't know the way. He wants to get to some place, but he doesn't know how. So again, with this picture, I have this man standing, looking at all these signs, have no idea where to go. Same for this one. So if I'm going to help these men or these guys to get to their destination, I will use this one. What do you see here on the screen? I can see a sign that's very important. We use it very often in our phones if we need to get to a new destination or to a new place, right? We send our location or we share the location with some people. As you can see here, I have a location. I need to help these men and other people to get to their destination. By what? By giving directions, by giving them directions. How can I give directions to anyone? How can I help anyone to get to a place? By asking this question: where is the library? Where is the supermarket? Let's imagine that I need to get some aspirin or vitamins. Where is the pharmacy? Okay, that means that I don't know the location. I'll be giving the location, how to get there. In order to do that, we need to ask this question: where is the store? Where should I go? It's either one of these questions. Where is the store? Where should I go? They have something in common, the word where. Remember, we said that we use where to ask about a place or a location. Okay? Where is the store? Where should I go? Now let's help giving directions. As you can see, we will start with simple signs. For example, for this one, what does it mean? What does this sign mean? It means, very good, go straight. Let's read together. Go straight. Go straight. One more time. Go straight. One last time. Go straight. Very good. So I have go straight. How about this one? What do you think? Is it the same direction or the same instruction? No, it's not go straight. It means turn left. Turn left. One more time. Turn left. One last time. Turn left. Very good. So I have a turn left sign. Now, here I have other signs, famous signs that we might use in order to give directions to help some people to get to their destination. For example, I have roundabout. Take the second right. Next to. Turn right. Go past. Take the second left. And here I have a traffic light. Go straight on. Opposite. And turn left. Now, I know you can find some opposites here. For example, turn left and turn right. They are opposite sign. Also, take the second right or take the second left. Okay, so these are some of the most famous signs that we might use to give directions. Let's read them one more time. Roundabout, take the second right, next to, turn right, go past, take the second left, traffic light, go straight on, opposite, and turn left. Very good. Now, here I have 5 signs, different signs, and I have all the possible answers here below. Now, let me read all the possible answers, and I need your help. I need you to help me to decide which is which. For example, buildings, turn right, traffic light, turn around, roundabout, signs, turn left, go straight on. So let's start with the first one. The first sign I have on the top. What does it mean? Do you think it is a traffic light? Does it mean we have buildings here? No, actually, it means turn left. Very good. So the answer is turn left. Okay, right next to it, what do you think? What do you think? Is it turn right? No, it is turn around. Very good, turn around. How about the next one? This is an easy one. It is very good, turn right. Very good, turn right. So let's read our answers on the top. Turn right, turn left, turn around, and turn right. Now, let's go to the other part. What do you think? I have a stop sign, don't enter, and I have workers on site. What do I mean? These are all signs. Very good. Different signs. Actually, I have 3 signs. Okay, right next to it, what does this mean? What does this sign mean? It means go straight on. Very good. Go straight on. And for the last one, this is a traffic light. Very good. Traffic light. So let's read our answers one more time. I have signs, go straight, traffic light. Very good. Now, let's imagine that I have this easy map and I need to give a direction to a person. I need to help a person to get to his destination. So let's imagine that this person is right here at the first X, okay? And he needs to get to the hospital, for example. Now, let's read the names of the street first. I have W Street, I have the avenue, First Street, I have the second avenue, the second street. Now, the man wants to go to the hospital. So, in order to help him to get to his destination, to his location, I'll be giving direction. First, he needs to go to the avenue, go on the avenue street, and then take, what do you think, first right or second right? Very good. He needs to get to the second right in order to get to the second street, and the hospital will be on his right. The hospital will be on his right. Very good. Now let's try with other maps. For example, how about this one? Now I have a bigger one, right? Let's read. I have Market Street, I have Main Street, State of Franklin, South Road. Now I have different kind of roads, and as you can see, I have pictures of cars, I have pictures. Let's say that the man wants to get from a place. Let's imagine that he is at this building, okay? And he needs to go to this one. Now, let's help him out. First, he needs to get into Market Street, then turn left at the South Road. Now, what do you think? Does he need to take the first left or the second left? First right, second right. Go on, turn around. What do you think? First he needs to turn left, go on South Road, and then take the second right, and he will find himself at his destination. So we help him to get to his place. Now, also we are going to use prepositions of place. What do I mean by prepositions of place? Let me show you some pictures. Now, here I have certain objects here. I have an apple, or maybe apples. I have box, or perhaps boxes. But here I'll be asking about the location of the apple. Where is the apple? Okay? The question here I have is, where is the apple? Is the apple at the same place in all these pictures? The answer is no. So in order to give answers, we need to know about the prepositions of place. Okay? So for example, for the first one, let's start from here. Okay? Where is the apple? The apple is on the box. The apple is on the box. Now let's go to the one right next to it. Where is the apple? Is it still on the box? No, it is in the box. Very good. The apple is in the box. Let's go to the next one. Now, where is the apple? Is it still inside the box? No, it is next to the box, or we might say it's beside the box. Very good. Now let's go to the next line. Now, where's the apple? It is in front of the box. Very good. It is in front of the box. Now let's go to the next one. Where is the apple? It is behind the box. Very good. Behind the box. Now let's go to the next one. Now notice now that I have two boxes, right? Not one but two. And the apple is stuck between them. So between means that I have two objects, both sides. So where's the apple? It is between the two boxes. Okay? Now let's go to the last line. Where is the apple now? It is under the box. It is under the box. Now how about the next one? Where's the apple? The apple passes through the box. Now I have not one but several apples. Where are the apples? They are around the box. They are around the box. Very good. So let's read our prepositions of place one more time. On, in, next to, beside, in front of, behind, between, under, through, and round. Very good, very good. Now, let's go to the next page. Here I need you to open your books at page 53. Okay, as you can see, I have several parts. I'll be zooming on for the upper one. Here I have all the prepositions of time. Read. In, on, under, in front of, behind, between. So all these are prepositions of places. Now, below I have the names of the shops that we've been talking, introducing in our unit. I have butchers, bookshop, laundry, fashion shop, grocery shop, electronic shop, clothes shop, toys shop, and beauty shop. Okay, so I have different kinds of shop, and also I have prepositions. Here I have all the opposites. Take a few minutes and read them in your book. In the meantime, let's go to the last part. I have all the signs and more that we discuss in our unit. For example, I have go straight, turn left, turn right, make a U-turn or turn around. And the last sign here I have no entry. No entry. Very good. Let's read them one more time. Go straight, turn left, turn right, make a U-turn, and no entry. Very good. Okay, so let's go ahead and revise what we have learned in this lesson, my dear student. In this lesson, we practice the opposite. What do I mean by opposite? Having some adjectives. For example, describing certain animals by the size. I have a big elephant and I have a small mouse. A big elephant and a small mouse. Very good. So also we were able to describe the rings. I have an expensive ring and I have a cheap one. Also comfortable and uncomfortable. I have big trees. I have tall trees and I have short trees. Also, we were able to use prepositions of place. We were able to describe or to answer the question, where is the apple? So, based on the location of the apple, it is on the box, it is in, it is next to, it is between the boxes, it is under, it's in front of. The apples are around the box. Very good. And also, we were able to give directions to people who needs help to get to their destination by using some signs like what? Go straight, turn right, turn left. This is a work site. Make a U-turn, take the second left, take the second right. Traffic signals, okay? So we use all these to give directions and to help people to get to their destination. So that was my lesson, my dear student. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.